Okay, in this video, I'm going to demonstrate how to set up an internet source for downloaders streaming audio into a dictionary app. The problem we're trying to solve is that audio, even if you make them as small as possible, will make the APK or ABB file and possibly large when you make a dictionary app builder if you have a lot of audio. And the limitation is imposed on the Google Play Store or on the phone, the end user phone. The Google Play Store has a max capacity of a 200 megabyte file size when you're trying to upload into Google Play Store. So the ability to stream or download audio from an internet source helps get around that. So the end result is when the user plays the audio from the app, they can either have the option to download or stream, depending upon what they want to do. I'm going to demonstrate that by going from the beginning Flex through my digital source into Dictionary App Builder and then into the app. Okay, this is my Thai example dictionary, Thai example Flex project. You can see I've filtered for the word coffee and the media file. This is coffee.mp3, and if I were to play it, you would hear the Thai word cafe. I'm not going to bother playing it now because it opens up in the Windows Media Player. The important thing to know is how the audio file is spelled, coffee.mp3. There is a limitation in this process where Dictionary App Builder will only play audio files with Latin characters or Arabic numerals. It cannot play IPA, cannot play any other scripts. It's just a limitation that exists that we're having to work around. So I then make I export my Flex database, then import it into Dictionary App Builder and set that up. And now I've come over to my audio files, and you can see down here I have coffee, and it is set up for my DigitalOcean internet source. So I'm going to pull up DigitalOcean, and you see my word coffee here. I created a container for a media file container in DigitalOcean. This is just an example of a type of storage container. You can use Amazon, you can use whatever you have access to. And then I upload it in, I make sure I have the project name, and I click to make sure that the permissions are right. In DigitalOcean, I can manage multiple file permissions at one time. It needs to be public in order for the app to work. And I need to know the URL for this. Then I go back to my Dictionary App Builder app. And down in file sources, you see I have in APK. These are files that are bundled with the app. And I have DigitalOcean, that's just the name of my internet source. And you click on it, and you can see I've got the URL. It's important to have the URL correct with the name of your project and the container. And this is where I set allow users to choose between downloading or streaming. I have the option of download it or stream. I can force it, but I want the user to choose because they'll know what their phone has capable of. They don't have the space. We don't want to force downloading audio. And then I hit the OK button, and then I compile it and put it on my phone. And I'll bring up the app as it exists on my phone. I'm using the Windows Phone link. And then I've brought over to this is my Thai sample dictionary IPA. See, I've already filtered to the word coffee. I click the play button.
Cafe, cafe.
And play. If I were to go to another word that has audio, you can see guy. I'm going to click on it. It's downloading.
Guy.
Now I can play. The
Guy.
The choice is actually made in the app settings. If you go back to the app, click on settings, you can have audio download or streaming. This is where the user chooses. They want it streamed or downloaded. They don't get to choose when they click on a particular word. That's just demonstrating that it can be done. You can stream audio from an internet source, or you can download it to the app, so you're not limited necessarily by the file size. Thank you.